Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Stocks Investing Science. In this video, we will look at the quarterly results and all the important updates provided in the quarterly reports for Ador Welding Limited. As you can see, company has released their quarterly earnings now. Before going on to the consolidated numbers, I will give you a brief introduction on the company. Ador Welding is a leading player in the field of welding products and technologies and services. It is engaged in the providing the customized solutions for multidisciplinary projects and contracts related to refineries, oil and gas, petrochemicals, and similar other sectors. So that's a brief introduction on the company. Now let's move on to the consolidated numbers for the company. So looking at the net profits year on year, it is grown from 11 crores to 15 crores, accounting to a growth of almost 35%, and quarter on quarter it has again decreased from 18 crores to 15 crores, accounting to decrease of almost 19%. And so now let's look at the EPS. Year on year it has increased from 8.26 to 11.13, and quarter on quarter it has decreased from 13.73 to 11.13. So that's the EPS for the company. Now let's look at the segmental revenue for Ador Welding. So looking at the segmental revenue for products and services which the Ador Welding offers. So year on year the products segments has done well. Quarter on quarter it's not done well. It has decreased from 235 crores to 207 crores. But year on year, it has done well from 181 crores to 207 crores. So in terms of the services as well, the numbers are increasing. 88 crores to almost 22 crores, and quarter on quarter it has increased from 12 crores to 22 crores. So let's look at the profits for the company in terms of the segments. So they are converting their profits to the net profits, so that's nice. But look at the services segment. So they are increasing the revenue, at the same time they are increasing the losses. So that's not good for a company, that we need to be careful on. So that's the numbers for Ador Welding. Now to summarize the whole quarterly results in terms of the percentage growth, year on year company has done well, that is done by almost 21% of the total income has grown, and quarter on quarter it has fell by almost 7%. Coming to the net profits, year on year it has done well by almost 35%, and quarter on quarter it has fell by almost 19%. So that's the numbers for company. Looking at these growth percentages, I can say year on year it has done well, both quarter on quarter as well as year on year, but that is the total income and the net profits. Year on year the numbers has done well, but quarter on quarter numbers are definitely not good, both for the total income as well as the net profits. Let's see how market reacts to these numbers once the market opens on Monday. But what do you think on the above numbers? Please share your valuable thoughts on the results in the comment section, and please share this video with your friends, family, and also with the ones who have invested in this company, so that they will be aware on the quarterly numbers. And with that, I will come to end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again in my next video.